Early childhood refers to the earliest years of a child's life, from conception through pregnancy and from birth until the age of 8 years. It is a special and crucial time for a child's growth and development. Children not only grow in their height and weight, but their brains are also developing during this time. The child's brain is responsive and sensitive to new experiences and develops rapidly by adapting to these experiences. So, the experiences your child has during these early years are crucial. There are 6 components of care which you should provide during early childhood. The first thing your child needs is good nutrition. Proper nutrition during pregnancy is essential for both the health of the mother and the developing baby. After birth, exclusive breastfeeding of your child for 6 months can help protect them from falling sick in the future. Introducing foods and liquids other than breast milk to babies under 6 months can be harmful. Children older than 6 months benefit greatly from eating vegetables and fruits. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. Children who do not get enough nutrition do not only become weak, but their brain growth may also suffer, making it harder for them to learn and to do well in school later. Following simple healthy habits will ensure your child is protected from diseases and has good health. Washing your hands before taking care of your children is one of the ways to protect them from falling sick. Another simple practice, kangaroo mother care, which is the act of holding your baby against your bare skin, can help build the bond between you and your child. It not only improves attachment, but also promotes breastfeeding and reduces the risk of pneumonia. Taking your child for vaccinations and regular health checkups will help prevent illnesses and save your child's life. Responsive caregiving. Do you know that the interactions you have with your child in these early years are crucial to build a child's brain? Responding to your baby's sound and calls in a warm and loving voice, paying attention to the things that interest your child, and holding your child close lets their developing brain know that they are in a safe, secure, and loving environment. These positive experiences are crucial for the child to build trust with parents. Just as a sturdy house needs a strong foundation, your child's brain needs positive experiences and interactions in its early years to support future developments. Opportunities for early learning. Early childhood is also a critical time for your child to develop the skills they need in their future endeavors. At this young age, children do not learn from memorization, rather, they learn new things about the world by playing. Daily activities such as feeding your child, changing their clothes, or bathing them can all be turned into opportunities for play. For example, you can help your child develop language skills by telling stories, singing songs, or reading to them. It is through play that your child starts to learn self-control, the ability to set goals, strives towards them, and how to cope well with challenging situations. Safe and stress-free environment. However, just as your child's developing brain can become strong through these positive experiences, it can become weak and develop poorly through negative experiences. It's not just adults who experience stress, children can also experience stress. When you don't respond to your child, or if you shout and fight in front of your child or respond angrily, the child's brain experiences stress and does not develop as it should. The child may be too fearful to learn and explore, may lie awake late at night, or stay hungry when they are upset. These issues can affect their education, work, and relationships when they become adults. Parental self-care. As caregivers, we also need to reduce our own stress by taking care of ourselves. When we are able to take care for our own mental and physical needs, we are better able to care for our children. Moreover, our children learn by mimicking our behavior. Our children can learn good habits when they see us going on walks, practicing deep breathing, getting enough sleep, putting our phones down while speaking to others, and eating more fruits and vegetables. Children who receive all of these components of support and care grow up happy and healthy children perform better in schools, and are less likely to engage in bad behaviors like addiction. This is why Meghalaya launched the Early Childhood Development Mission. The mission aims to help children develop to their full potential through the involvement of parents, caregivers, teachers, and the community. Let's make a promise to give our children a good start for a better tomorrow.